What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get your referral code for Binance or your Binance promo code. Now if you're just looking for a promo or a referral code for Binance, you can use my promo code from the description below. You can use my promo code from the description below. That will give you $50 once you trade at least $100 on the Binance platform. So as soon as you make a trade worth $100 or more, you will get $50 credited to your Binance account. But now let's continue. So to get your Binance referral code, you would need to go to the Refer and Earn tab right here. And now just scroll down a bit until you can see the Invite Friends button right here. So just go ahead and tap that. And after a few moments, your referral ID or your referral code will load with a referral link right under it. And to get it, you can just click this copy icon right here, and then it will be copied onto your mobile storage. And that's guys how you can get your Binance referral code on Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.